Super excited to have baker extraordinaire Lori Horton joining us in studio this morning, and I understand we're making some magic cookie bars.
We are.
Let me go ahead and put this on you.
Thank
here.
you.
I'm sorry about that.
Little delay. We're good.
There we go. We'll just do that.
Fantastic. So these are going to be super simple again today. My goal for you guys is always to have something that you can make easy at home, the kiddos can help out with, and a little bit less stressful of a treat for the end of the day. So
all right.
Minor ingredients, minor equipment, so important. So starting out with a aluminum pan, also less dishes to wash, which I think is fabulous.
Nice.
And what I've done is lined my pan with a parchment paper. You can also do this with aluminum foil. But if you do the aluminum foil, you want to spray it with a little bit of baking spray or cooking spray.
Okay.
Because our goal on this is to have a gooey bar that's not going to stick to the pan and be messy when we go to turn it out.
Yeah.
So little pro tip on that one, when you go to put your foil or your paper in there, turn your pan over first. Measure it off the bottom.
I never even thought of doing it that
all
way.
Up,
That's
and
perfect.
then boom, it sets right down in there, easy peasy, no problem. So
Okay.
I'm starting out with my graham crackers, already with my butter in them. Our recipe is on there. It's about a half a cup of melted butter to that cup and a half of graham cracker crumbs, and you can use chocolate grahams, you can use the regular honey graham crackers.
So you've already melted your butter.
I've already
in there.
melted my butter and got everything in there, and I'm going to turn this over. Fancy tool here, but we're going to take this measuring cup and just smash that down and make it nice and flat. Can you
want me to
handle
do that?
Yes, please.
Okay. I like being given a job.
I know,
Yes.
Absolutely.
As long as it's not cutting onions.
Right. I'm not used to having a sous chef on hand, so you know it's nice. It's nice. Then we're just going to go with next our chocolate chips, and I'm going to use a mixture of all different kinds, and there's so many different ones out there now. I've got espresso chips, there's cream cheese, there's peanut butter, but I've just got a mixture of dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate.
Okay.
And it's delicious, but it's whatever you really, really like. But the most important part on these bars is to layer them in the right order.
Okay.
That's the magic in the Magic Cookie Bar.
I was going to ask you, what makes these magical besides the fact that you're making them?
Well, of course that, but
How tight do you want your,
pretty tight. We want that packed in there really well.
otherwise it crumbles?
Otherwise it crumbles a little bit, makes it kind of difficult to cut at the end. So you want it in there really nice. And then our next magical ingredient is going to be our sweetened condensed milk. So super easy. We're going to assemble all of this in our order. Sweetened condensed milk, chocolate chips, then coconut, and then our pecans. And we're going to pack that down again and bake it in that 350-degree oven for about 25 or 30 minutes until it's golden brown on top.
Awesome.
Yes. So
Okay.
we'll put all of these together, one layer at a time.
Okay, sounds good.
Good coating on top. Again, super complicated, as you guys can see. Whole can of that sweetened condensed milk.
Okay, so are we going to come back and finish
We're going to
this
come
up?
back and finish it up.
Okay, so once we get all our layers in there, then we'll pop it in the oven.
Pop it
But
in
we
the
will
oven.
see how it turns out when we
Magic
come
of
back on
television.
KOA Morning News on Fox 14. We'll be right back.
Sorry about that mic and stuff.
All we needed was an answer. Like,